In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own game site on googlesitesil.com. We'll take a game you like and display it on your own Google Sites page using a simple embed so you can share a clean, playable page with friends or classmates. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Crazy Games website. This is where you'll find a huge catalog of free online games. Give the site a moment to load and make sure you're using a modern browser so everything runs smoothly. Some games can be heavy on graphics, so close extra tabs if your device feels sluggish. Browse around and choose a game you want to feature. Look for titles that load quickly and play well without needing extra downloads. Click the game to open its dedicated page. Let it load fully and, if possible, play a few seconds to confirm it works well. This quick test helps you avoid embedding a page that has pop-ups or long pre-roll ads. Now copy the link from your browser's address bar. That URL is what you'll use to embed the game. Double check you copied the full link and keep it handy on your clipboard. Next, switch over to Google Sites. On the Google Sites homepage, click Recent Sites to find your project, then click Sites to open it in the editor. If you're already in your site, you're good to go. Give the editor a moment to load the right side panel with all the tools. In the editor, click the Insert tab on the right. This is where you add content to your page: text, images, and, in our case, embeds. From there, click Embed. You'll see two options, by URL and by code. We're using the URL option, which is faster and easier for most game pages. Paste the game link you copied into the URL field. Google Sites will try to generate a preview. If you see the page appear, that's a great sign. If it doesn't preview or shows a blocked message, the site may not allow embedding. In that case, try a different game page or a simpler title that loads without restrictions. When the preview looks good, click Insert. The embedded frame will appear on your page. You can drag the corners to resize it so the game fits nicely without scroll bars. Align it with your page layout and consider placing a short description or a heading above it so visitors know what they're about to play. Finally, use the preview button in the top bar to test the page as a visitor would. If everything plays smoothly, you've successfully added a game to your Google Sites page.